Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text box border in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text with some text box. Now we want to change the text box border. Click the text box. Now we can see here the red color border. Now we want to change this border. Go to the shape format menu, then click the shape outline, then choose any color. Now I select the black color. Now we can see we change the text box border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.